back to Bike Buzz. In today's video, we're diving deep into the highly anticipated 2025 Honda CRF300L. Honda has continued its legacy of off-road dominance with this revamped adventure bike. So let's take a closer look at what makes this new CRF300L a top contender in the lightweight dual sport category. Design and build. The 2025 CRF300L features an updated design that's both sleek and functional. Honda has kept the lightweight and nimble feel that made the previous models popular, but with added strength where it counts. The frame is still made from steel for durability, but the bodywork has been revised to improve aerodynamics and reduce weight. With a new, aggressive look that echoes the CRF rally bikes, this dual sport bike is built to handle a variety of terrains, from rugged trails to city streets. Engine and performance. One of the most exciting updates is the improved engine. The CRF300L now packs a 286cc single-cylinder, liquid-cooled engine. While the power output is modest at around 27 horsepower, the bike's lightweight nature ensures you still get excellent performance on and off-road. Honda has fine-tuned the throttle response and the power delivery for better control, especially when tackling steep climbs or rocky paths. For 2025, the CRF300L has a smoother, more efficient fuel injection system, contributing to better throttle response and more precise control on trails. The engine is paired with a 6-speed transmission, allowing for better gear ratios and more flexibility in a variety of riding conditions. Whether you're taking a scenic trail ride or hitting the dirt, this engine won't disappoint. Suspension and handling. When it comes to handling, the CRF300L shines with its suspension setup. It features a long-travel 43mm Showa front fork and a Pro-Link rear shock. This setup allows the bike to handle rough terrain effortlessly while keeping you comfortable. Honda has also upgraded the suspension to provide better control in challenging conditions, allowing riders to go faster and more confidently through bumps, ruts, and uneven surfaces. The suspension on the 2025 CRF300L is now more adjustable than ever, with settings that can be fine-tuned to fit a variety of riders and preferences. If you're someone who likes to explore different types of terrain, this feature will be incredibly beneficial. Brakes and tires. Braking power is another area where the CRF300L gets an upgrade. It now features a larger 256mm front disc brake and a 220mm rear disc, which offers more stopping power, particularly when riding in off-road environments. The brakes are designed to work well in both wet and dry conditions, ensuring that you have control at all times. As for tires, the 2025 model comes equipped with Dunlop D605 tires, perfect for handling mixed terrain conditions. Whether you're hitting dirt trails or navigating rocky paths, these tires offer great grip and stability. Comfort and ergonomics. Honda has made significant improvements in the comfort department for the 2025 CRF300L. The seat is now slightly more cushioned for better long-distance comfort, and the bike's ergonomics are designed to give you a more natural riding position. The handlebars are adjustable and the foot pegs have been widened for more stability, especially when you're standing up while riding off-road. If you're looking for a bike that you can ride for hours without feeling sore, the CRF300L's design is built with that in mind. Technology and features. Honda has also added a few modern touches to the 2025 CRF300L. The bike now comes with a digital LCD display that offers vital information like speed, gear position, trip data, and fuel consumption. This digital gauge is easy to read even in direct sunlight and gives riders quick access to important information during their rides. The 2025 model also comes with upgraded LED lighting, making it safer to ride at night or in low-visibility conditions. The LED headlamp provides a brighter and more efficient light output than traditional halogen bulbs. Fuel efficiency and range. Fuel efficiency is always a concern for off-road riders, and Honda has improved the CRF300L in this department. The 286cc engine is designed to be more fuel efficient, and with its 7.8-liter fuel tank, the CRF300L offers a respectable range, making it perfect for those long trail rides or day trips where refueling might not be easy. On average, you can expect about 70 to 80 miles per tank, depending on riding style and terrain. Price and availability. The 2025 Honda CRF300L is expected to be priced around $5,500 to $6,000, making it an excellent value for a lightweight dual-sport motorcycle with these specs. This price point positions the CRF300L as one of the best budget-friendly options for those who want a bike that's ready for adventure right out of the box. Conclusion: the 2025 Honda CRF300L is a fantastic update to an already popular bike. With improved power, handling, comfort, and technology, it's a great choice for riders looking to tackle a variety of terrains. Whether you're an experienced off-road enthusiast or just getting into the world of dual-sport riding, this bike is an excellent option that delivers versatility and performance. Thanks for tuning in to Bike Buzzin'. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our future reviews and bike breakdowns. Let us know in the comments what you think about the new 2025 CRF300L. Until next time, ride safe.